All right, we're trying a bit of Green Day, Wake Me Up When September Ends. Cool song. We're going to give it a go. Look, we're going to try. It's quite nice picking here. Hopefully you'll see my guitar properly. Right, so third finger, you're going to put that on the D string, 5th fret, and then first finger's going to go on the 3rd fret on the B string. So make sure you've got a nice arch in the fingers so you're not accidentally playing that, muting that G string, okay? So here we go. We're going to play the D, G, and B string like this. Okay, so I'm picking that twice, and I'm going to pick like this. Look, I'm going to go down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so that position there, and just make sure you've got a nice arch in your fingers. Maybe help if you've got your thumb up the top a bit there, so you don't want to kind of flatten it down. Nice arched fingers. All right, look at all those fingerprints on my guitar. Oh. All right, give it a clean. So we're gonna, that's kind of the intro there. Quite nice. Okay, so then when the vocals come in, it kind of does it, kind of changes a bit. So we're gonna go start with that same position, and we're gonna pick those same strings. And then this 5 here on the D becomes 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my 2nd finger instead. Keep your 1st finger where it is. Picking the same. I'll start that again. Okay. And then another position change. You're going to go down to the 1st finger on the 2 on the D and 2nd finger on the 3 on the B. Same picking. Now, nice and easy, just take off that 1st finger. All right, so far we should have this look. So the intro. And then here we go. All right, and then what we're gonna do a power chord, C power chord here. On the 3rd fret there on the A string. Make sure, so power chord you normally just do like that, but let's add in the octave there with your little finger. So we're going to go like this, so A, D and G. Okay, we're going to make the C chord, the C power chord, and we're going to add that minor note in there, and you're just going to say that's your 2nd finger there. Add that just onto the 4 there. So we're going to change, we're going to go from C, C power chord, and then C minor. So then you want to play those top strings there as well. Top, so maybe just the G and the B there, look. Okay, and then end on a G there, G major chord. So I'm playing just the E string, and then skipping out 2 strings, G string, top 2 strings there. Okay, so the whole thing hopefully sounds something like this, look. Have a listen to the song. Cheers, guys. See you soon.